Good morning, students. Today we are starting business studies, and your first chapter is business, trade, and commerce. Okay, we'll start with the first chapter business, trade, and commerce. So, here you are given some learning objectives, means after going through the chapter you will be able to understand about the history of commerce and various types of economic activities, the concept of business, and the distinctive features of business profession and employment, objectives of business, role of profit in business, and the concept, nature, and causes of business risk, and the broad categories of business activities, that is industry, commerce, and various types of industries, and the role of commerce. Okay, so first of all we start with the economic activities. Okay, about the history of commerce we will discuss it later. First of all we start with the various types of activities, that is the economic activities. Okay, so I'm starting from the section second. तो बच्चों, टाइप्स ऑफ human activities. Human means we the people. We do basically two types of activities with the this is economic activity and non-economic activities. So first of all you should understand the meaning of economic activities. So the activities which we do to earn money. Okay, all the activities which we do to earn the money, these activities are economic activities. Okay, you can see a teacher is teaching to the students, so this is a type of economic activity. Some examples are given here. Driver driving a car, teacher teaching in a school, a shopkeeper sells goods in his shop. A shopkeeper is selling a goods in his shop means he will get the money for this. This is economic activity. Okay, a doctor earns money by treating his patient. So the doctor will charge fees. Okay. Now some non-economic activities for which we don't get money. So these type of activities are called non-economic activities. Some examples are also given here, like a boy helping a blind woman to cross the road, an old woman going to a temple. Suppose if we are going to a temple, it is not an economic activity because we are not going to get anything from anything means any money from the temple. Okay, we go to temple for the worship only. Okay, so in economic concerns this type of activity is called non-economic activity. Then production of self consumption, इसमें बच्चे अक्सर कंफ्यूज होते हैं. if we are producing the goods for selling, so this is an economic activity. But if we are producing goods for self consumption, so this is a non-economic activity. Social work, some people do social work for their satisfaction. So by doing non-economic activity we get the satisfaction and we don't get any money by performing non-economic activities. Okay, so we can see the difference between economic and non-economic activities. First, the purpose and objectives. Okay, On the basis of this concept, we'll discuss the difference between economic and non-economic activities. So if we see, so what is the purpose of economic activity? The purpose of economic activity that these activities are performed to earn money and to create wealth. And why we perform in non-economic activities means, what is the purpose of performing non-economic activities? The motive of non-economic activities is to derive psychological or mental satisfaction. Suppose we are giving some charity to any poor, so we will get satisfaction, Next basis of difference is the return, or you can say the outcome, or you can say the end results. ठीक, means what will you get after performing economic activities. Production of goods and services is the end result of these activities. Means when we perform economic activities, so there will be production of goods and services. The people undertaking economic activities expects income in return, है ना? If they are performing economic activities means they are expecting some return. They are expecting that if they are doing some economic activity, they will get some money for this. And if we see non-economic activities, the outcome of return of these activities is a psychological satisfaction to the people who undertake them. Means they think the person who is performing non-economic activity, suppose you are singing a song. Why you are singing a song? Because after singing a song you will get some enjoyment, you will get some satisfaction. If you are singing a song for earning money, so this will be called economic activity. Next difference is types: business, profession and employment. These are the three types of economic activities. And if we classify this non-economic activity, this is like religious, social, parental and patriotic activities. If we do some religious activities, we go to temple, we go to church. So this is a type of religious activity, and we are not, we will get some satisfaction. If we perform some social activities, we are helping the poor, we will get some psychological satisfaction. Okay. Some examples are also given here. We have already discussed the examples about the economic and non-economic activities. So this is the difference between economic and non-economic activities. Okay. So most probably in examination there will be a question. You can see a question in the examination like about the difference between economic and non-economic activities. So you have to go through it properly. Now the next topic is types of economic activities. Means we have to classify these economic activities. So we can classify these economic activities in three types, that is business, profession and employment. So you can classify this economic activities in business, profession and employment. So first of all we'll discuss about the business. Okay. Business refers to those economic activities, obviously it is an economic activity, hai na? Those economic activities which are concerned with production, purchase, sale or distribution of goods or supply of services with the main aim of earning money or profit. ठीक. If we remove the intention of earning profit from business, it will not definitely be called an economic activities, because if we remove the intention of profit in the business, it will simply a charity, and all the charities are not considered economic activities. So अर्निंग प्रॉफिट और इंटेंशन ऑफ अर्निंग मनी, है ना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर बिजनेस. सम एग्जाम्पल्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन हियर, लाइक farming, fishing, cultivation by farmer, mining, publishing a book by a publisher, etc. Okay. If we talk about the profession, profession may be defined as an economic activity that require special knowledge and skill to be applied by individual in their work to earn income. देखिए, a word is given here, special knowledge. If we talk about a doctor, so for becoming a doctor it is necessary to get a degree of doctorate. Okay. If we talk about an engineer, so it is very necessary for an engineer to take a degree of engineering. Okay. So these type of things are called special skills. So for any profession special skills are required. And if we talk about the employment, so it may be defined as an economic activity in which people work for others and receive remuneration, that is called salary or wages in return. Means in employment a person is working for other. Actually it is a contract between employer and employee, है ना. Employee will work for his employer and will get money for this. So in next video बच्चों we will discuss the difference between these type of activities. I mean the difference among business, profession and employment. In the next video we will discuss it. Okay, you have to watch this video for 2 or 3 times. You can easily understand about the this economic and non-economic activities and business, profession and employment, about the meaning of business and profession and employment. If you have any problem, any doubt, any query, you can contact me. Okay, thank you बच्चों.